Side it's Karthikeya Chawla alongside Robert on behalf of Jam and Panther team at Prolifics. Today we'll be explaining you the complete use of Kibana, who owns it, and how it works. So over to you, Robert.
Prolifics is a full-service organization. Not only do we have the capability to create your applications, service your applications, and work with you to expand your capabilities, we also have capability to monitor what's going on in your environment. One of the tools we use to provide us with this capability is the Elk Stack. What is the Elk Stack? The Elk Stack is a collection of 3 open source products: Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. They are developed and managed and maintained by the company Elastic. E stands for Elasticsearch, used for storing logs. L stands for Logstash, used for both shipping as well as processing and storing logs. And K stands for Kibana, a visualization tool based on a web interface, which is hosted through NGINX or Apache. Let's take a quick look at an example Elk Stack. I've opened up Kibana here, which has a set of data that I've previously loaded into it. You can see that data here shown up as various activities that occurred over a given timeline. That data is stored in terms of documents, and each document has representative data indicating what happened in a given log. We can go into each document separately and look at each one, or we can go ahead and take a look at a few things like just particular sections of a given document. Here we're just looking at one extracted piece of data. We can also visualize that data in a little bit more efficient form. Here we're looking at various transactions that occurred over a given time interval. Data can be put into various dashboards, and we can create new dashboards at any time with information we want to see. So let's take a look here at like the previous dash visualization we just saw, transactions. And also let's add a new one called the performance delays. So you can see the various transactions occurred over time interval, and you can look and see that here we had some delays of various intervals. Now, this is just a beginning example of some of the power, and this is just analyzing logs. But Elasticsearch also allows us to do a lot more than that. Let's take a look at some of the things, an example from the Elastic Company's page, where we go take a look at some other capabilities. Here you can see an example of what Elastic Company's put out there for demonstration of some of the capabilities. I'm not going into the details on this, just show you different types of dashboards capable. These dashboards include things like mapping capability, where you can actually overlay things and look at different routes, stuff like that. Prolific's use of the Elk Stack provides us not only the ability to monitor logs and detect performance issues, but also the ability to do extensive analysis on various aspects of your business. This analysis can help indicate where sales may be less efficient, or where other areas should be concentrated on to increase their capabilities. Please feel free to contact your sales representative and other Prolific engineers for additional details. Thank you.
Good. I hope you too liked the video, and if you do, please press the like button. If you're watching us for the first time, please press the subscribe button. And if you feel any queries, just list them in the comment section down below. Thank you.